And now the moment of truth. You know your style, you know the type of photography that you will capture that will represent you as a professional photographer. You also have chosen the best of the best of the best of your photographs. Is that enough best for you? I hope so. Now it's time to take you online. And by that I mean we are going to create a website. And the website is going to be the home for your photographic portfolio. Now, we're not going to go into the actual building of a website or how to build a website. There are so many companies out there that offer really nice platforms where you can show off your photographs in a really attractive way. The one mistake that a lot of people, a lot of photographers make is putting way too many photographs onto the website. Or they have page after page after page after page. And that really does leave a viewer confused and put off. You know, you reach this website and you think, well, I'm not going to even attempt to look at this. There's too much. I'm shutting this off. And they leave. So what are the essential parts of a website? First, obviously, you need your homepage. And the homepage really is the most important page of your website. So you're going to need to pay close attention to this. Now, we'll go into detail about each of the pages in a future lesson. So I'm just going to skim over them right now. So, homepage. You also will need a portfolio page, or maybe you have more than one page. This is where you're going to put your photos. You'll need an about page, your biography, something about you. Tell viewers who you are and why you are and how you can benefit them. Obviously, you need a contact page. How do people get in touch with you? You want this. You really do want that. A blog. Now, a blog is a good idea to incorporate onto your website or at least have a link to a blog. Social media icons. This is if you're a social media user. Now, I'm not going to be contradictory here. I do have an online social media presence. However, I am not a believer in social media at all, and this will be a controversial lesson when we talk about this, I'm sure. So in the following lessons, the ones coming ahead, we'll go into more details about each of your web pages. But first, just as we discussed earlier in this course, you want the best of your photos on your website. So do take time to sort through your photos before building your website. It's going to save you a lot of time. When you start building your website, keep these important things in mind. Keep it clean and clear of clutter. You just want a very simple design. Keep it lean. Don't overwhelm your viewers with hundreds of photographs. Even if you have 500 photographs that are all wonderful, don't put 500 photographs onto your website. Huge mistake. Make your website easy to use and easy to navigate. The easier that you make it, then the more likely viewers will stay on your website. Also, you want everything to be quick. You want a super fast load time, so be sure to upload photos that are small in file size. Now, too much text and information on your web page can leave your visitors confused and sometimes even overwhelmed. So keep it clean and keep it simple. And also keep this in mind. Viewers spend fewer than 15 seconds when they arrive to your website. And in this 15-second time period is when they're deciding if they're going to stick around or not. So be sure to make a quick impact and don't overwhelm anyone on that very first page. Or your visitor is going to say, "Oops, see ya," and they're going to immediately leave. Another idea is an introductory video. And if you have kept up with the video on the internet, then you will also know that by, I think, 2017, they're saying that 70% of content that is consumed on the internet will be video. And by the year 2022, that number is going to rise up to around 85%. That's staggering. And keep in mind that in a video, you can introduce yourself. You can even show a behind-the-scenes clip to help visitors get to know you. And when you wonder how to promote yourself, you might seriously consider creating a YouTube channel. And we'll go more into that in a future lesson as well. In this video, you can quickly summarize your photography, your style, your service, and why you would be great to work with. Video is interactive in a visual, attentive way. Now let's go on to the home page and let's talk about that.